morning. It is Monday, September the 2nd, 2025. We hope everyone had a nice long Labor Day weekend. My parents came in town, which is always nice to have them around for a few days here. Gosh, the weather here in Charleston, you feel like it's just beautiful weather. It's kind of like a nice breeze coming through for most of the weekend. And then, gosh, particularly in the mornings, I think I went out for an early coffee, but both Sunday and Monday, and you could just feel, the colder temperatures. You could almost feel fall coming. Which, after a summer in Charleston, I think we're all probably a little bit ready for fall at this point here. So, college football started. I know many of you get excited for college football, so a lot of fun things. Also fun was, just a great first week of our review season last week. So just it's always so fun catching up with many of you and hearing about how the summer went, and then kind of digging into some of the work and looking at the new tax bill and how that is going to apply to your life. Looking at other year-end tax planning items, kind of strategy there. Some of you were surprised to just kind of looking at investment detail, just how well international markets have performed in the first 8 months of the year. So just a really nice first week of reviews. Again, usually these Monday videos become a touch more abbreviated, just because I have an 8 a.m. Review here coming up. So looking at markets last week, again, just quickly, relatively flat. All right, maybe one of the highlights would be NVIDIA, which reported earnings middle of last week. Revenue grew 56% year over year. Obviously, many companies would love to have 56% growth year over year. But the stock didn't move. Relatively flat. Maybe even a touch lower, and that's because valuations matter. And I know we've talked about that a lot. But just don't make the mistake that many do of just buying a company or even an index in particular where valuations can drift really high. So valuations matter. All right. Other news. Friday, we received the core PCE, so the Fed's preferred inflation metric. Just bumped up a little bit to 2.9%, which was as expected, and so that still leaves markets are pricing still a greater than 85% chance that the Fed will cut rates later this month, in September. So we'll see. Questions, comments, concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team, and we look forward to seeing many of you in the weeks ahead here. Have a great week.